Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove NVMe drive from Gigabyte motherboard. And to do this, first we'll need to unscrew the radiators, and I have one right here. It's unscrewed and I have straight access for my NVMe. Now what we need to do is take a look on this lever on the left side of NVMe drive and simply pull it downwards. As you can see, our disk releases, and now we can simply pull it left and it will be removed from your motherboard. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.